Hi everybody, welcome to my video this week. This week I'm going to be making a bottle opener. I'm using some maple that I've got, and bottle openers are a really heavy duty chrome bottle opener that I've ordered in from the States. Really good quality. What I'm doing here is drilling a pilot hole and it's spinning at about 1,000 RPM. Change the drill bit over, and that's the tap that I'm going to use to tap the hole. Now the headstock is not locked down, and the tap will actually pull the headstock in, sliding along the bedways. Just pull the threads off a little bit every now and then, just to clear the cutters. As you can tell, I'm doing a voiceover this week. I think it's the first time I've ever done a voiceover on any of my videos. So let me know in the comments what you think, if you prefer my dulcet tones or my choice of music. So we've got the pilot hole threaded. Make sure you do the Jacob's jerk up, otherwise it'll pull out. Oops. And then just back it off, and as you're backing it off, just push and the headstock will retreat away from the threads. So here's the mandrel. This is a Niles Bottle Stopper mandrel, and that's threaded for an M33 3.5. They do come in various sizes for different lathes. And there's 4 blanks that I prepared. So I screwed and drilled and tapped all of those 4 first. I'm only going to make one in this video for you. Screw it on nice and easy. Bring the tailstock up, get a ring center on there, just to give you a bit of extra support while you're doing the turning. Bring the toe rest in, get it positioned for the right height. Now of course I'm going to be using a skew for this, my weapon of choice. Been messing around with different grinds on the skew today, and the grind that I've got on the skew that I'm about to use now I don't actually like, so I've actually changed it. It's short, and I think it was about 25 degrees, so it was chunky, so I've gone for a faster grind down to about 18 degrees. This one worked, but it just wasn't completely happy with it. Push and pull cuts. Just getting the blank down to size before I throw in some shapes. Keeping that bevel in contact, getting a lovely shavings coming off the piece. Always slowly cutting, because you get those long spiral shavings. If you're not cutting, you're scraping. If you're scraping, you're getting dust. feeling to see if I've got round yet, but I haven't. And now I'm just going to start rounding over the end near the headstock. I go for my favourite shape, which is kind of a sort of a cross between a torpedo and a fish. Yeah. It feels nice in the hand. Shape that works well for me. I use it for a lot of things I do. Handles, light poles, kitchen utensils, sorts. Good shape to use. And now I'm starting to taper down towards the tailstock. I taper down, then I'll do a V-cut and do a flare at the end. It's like an elongated cove. Switching happily between left hand and right hand. When I'm using the skew, I actually find it easier to switch rather than keep the skew in one hand and move. It's a V-cut or a plunge cut. Just use the long point, plunge in, and then successive V-cuts down the backside. Give myself space. I do have the tool rest a little bit high here. Could have been slightly lower. But then because of the production work, and to have the tool rest set one height, and then myself do the cuts rather than continuously moving the tool rest. Just doing a little bit of final shaping. I'll give a lovely finish. Papering down the end now. Like to make them look a bit elegant, so too comfy. My usual 3 lines. But on these I like to break them up, so I'll do 2, then a space, then 1, and each one is different. Sometimes I'll do 1 and 2, 3 together. Here I'm using a piece of Formica to burn the lines in. Start sanding. It's 120 grit. Keep the paper moving. Notice that they're really slow to lay it down. And 180 grit. This extraction's working well. Then 240 grit. As I keep the paper moving backwards and forwards, making sure to get all the sanding marks off. Use the sanding sealer. I use chestnut cellulose sanding sealer, and I thin mine 60-40. So that's 60% sealer, 40% cellulose thinners. Penetrates quicker, penetrates further, and it dries quicker. Just flash dry. Now for the True Grit. True Grit is the basic paste made here in the UK, in Yorkshire. Wipe the bollock. Let the lathe round off. Turn the lathe speed down to about 350, 400. And then just work the grit in. Let the paste do the work. Takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the paste work into the wood. As it works in, paste breaks down. It gets finer and finer and finer. It leaves you with smooth, silky finish, about the equivalent of 1000 grit, without the dust. So as you can see, there's no dust being produced here. All the dust is getting crapped on the paper for wax. This stuff is really good. It's been developed with a team of turners, both professional and hobbyists. Made here in the UK. Really cost effective. The packaging is ecologically sound. The plastics used in the packaging. It's a beautiful finish. Turn the speed up, just buff off any residual. Keep buffing it off until the paper comes away clean. It's a lovely shine. Now I could leave that as it is, but this is probably going to be a high use item. So I'm going to use chestnut liquid friction polish, which is shellac based. So with lathe stationary, apply some to a paper towel, wipe it on, turn the lathe up full speed, wait for the lathe to get to full speed, then just wipe paper towel backwards and forwards building up some heat, which sets friction polish. I like to add 2 coats. Second coat, it's going to apply. I'm going to turn the lathe off, pipe it on, turn the lathe back on to get up to full speed again. Rough it in. It's a lovely, lovely silky finish. This is available from Taylor's Murfield, and the link will be down in the description, along with links for O3a Adhesives, so now I'm just parting off the end. This is held on the mandrel, part down all the way. Nice skew finish on the end, slicing through the end grain. I said earlier, I was experimenting with different grinds on this skew. Not only with this one, this skew is now being chained, a finer grind. Look, it's a nice finish. Detail lines. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you're not already subscribed, it'd be lovely if you consider subscribing. If you are already subscribed, thank you ever so much for watching. Do really appreciate it. And a final sand, and then the piece of paper that I used earlier still has a bit of friction polish on it. Just rub that on the end. Don't waste anything. It's a lovely finish. So the lathe, because I've threaded these, they unscrew off the mandrel really easily. Because that's threaded all the way down, it's really easy for a bottle opener to thread down all the way in. He's got a really long shank on him. It's very strong. These won't bend. There you go. On maple bottle opener. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time. Take care, everybody.